Vision Group eyongedde Bugumi ku lujimbiga ya Kyabazinga gawula ndipokuna ne ineban jovya mtesi bwe wadde ensimbi obukadde lukaaga Don Innocent Wanyama kulira kapnino kyeka kikwasisa Osman Ahmed Nula myoka kutokiro ku kitebe kya wano mu Kampala.
Vision Group, our contribution is going to be worth 600 million shillings.
Ategezanga mbaga ya Kyabazinga bikire ky'okuyiga kinene eri abavubuka.
Not just to Busoga, but to the rest of the country. That's why I say this celebration is just not about Busoga, it is for the entire country. He re-emphasizes the important point of why family is very important.
Osman yabaza Vision Group olw'okwongera Bugumi mu mikolo gy'embaga eya Kyabazinga n'alambula enteekateeka zonna nga bwe zigenda okutambula.
This wedding is beyond the wedding, but it is a statement to the youth, to the people outside there, the values that marriages carry in the lives of people or human beings. We are grateful and we did look forward to greater partnerships with the Vision Group.
When we engaged you from day one as New Vision, I remember we sent a communication. I think you are one of the first people who gave a very positive response from day one.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.